Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So let's dive right into it. Today, on this episode, we're going to be talking about how to buy HEX, and specifically how to buy eHex. So there's a couple of different ways you can buy HEX, and I want to go through all that. There are not a lot of tutorials online, specifically on YouTube, showing you step-by-step how to buy HEX. So if you're interested in buying HEX, smash the like button and subscribe. That's how I'm going to know that you want to learn more about HEX. So I do not own any HEX right now. I do own Pulse Chain, and so that's going to be PLS, and I own that on the Pulse Chain network. So when I talk about eHex, what that means is that you own HEX, the token, on Ethereum's network. And then pHEX will be the Pulse Chain network HEX. And the Pulse Chain HEX, the pHEX, that's more complicated. All it refers to is which chain you have the tokens on. So we're going to show you how to buy eHex. So I'm going to show you step by step. Right now it's very cheap. And if you want to get into HEX, the main reason would be that you want to get a token because you believe in Richard Hart and you believe that Ethereum gas prices are too much. HEX mining averages 38%. So that's kind of like what they claim. But really what people do is they buy HEX, they stake it. You earn a pretty good APY, APR. Now to get it on the Pulse Chain network, it's more confusing. And I'm not going to do that in this video. I found out how to do it. But let's focus up. Let's show you how to buy eHex. So we're not going to be using hex.com. We're going to be going to 1inch.io. But first, what you want to do, so take out a pen and paper if you want. I've done it. I wrote it down for you all. The setup process, what you have to do first is set up a Metamask. So you're going to go to Metamask, I believe it's .io. We'll show you here in a second. You're going to set up a wallet, and it's a Chrome extension tool. It's metamask.io. If you want to know step-by-step how to do it, go to the channel here, scroll down, or type it in. I did a video called How to Set Up a MetaMask Wallet. There you go. So watch that. In fact, I got Chanel, my sister, to set up the wallet. So if Chanel can do it, you guys can do it. That was her first time setting up, I believe, any cryptocurrency wallet. So, I mean, I can't help you any more than that. I got a video, it's 7 minutes long. Write it down with pen and paper. Set up a MetaMask. Okay, so I show you everything you need there. Step number two. So we have our MetaMask set up right here. I'm logged in. That's what it looks like. So again, it's going to be a Chrome extension tool. You can pin it. You're going to load up or add some Ethereum. And the way you're going to do that, very simply, is you're going to go and copy your address. So it's right here, right? So it says copied. Once you have your public address, send some Ethereum to that address. Now, what you can do as well is send USDC. So what we're going to do in this video is we are going to swap USDC, a small amount, for HEX, eHex. And we're going to be using 1inch for that. So again, step number one, set up MetaMask. Number two, load up Ethereum for sure. So you need Ethereum because you're going to use Ethereum for the gas fees. That's what you're using to pay for the network fees in order to make the swap. We're going to get into a couple of other pro tips, but make sure that you have Ethereum in your wallet. You don't even need a lot. What do I have? $13 in here, not very much. We should be able to pull it off. We're going to be using USDC. You don't need USDC, but you need at least Ethereum. Have 50 to 100 bucks in Ethereum, at least 20 bucks, and we're going to show you how to do it. So that's number two. Load up Ethereum. If you want, add Ethereum and USDC. Step number three, go to 1inch.io. So this is the DEX, or the DApp. Okay, so what you can do here is you can do DeFi, you can swap for tokens. They've got different products. What we're going to do is launch the DApp. I'm going to be using a hardware wallet. My MetaMask, I connect with the hardware wallet. This acts as an intermediary, so you physically need to interact with the device in order to approve transactions. So even here, you can see that we've got our wallet connected, and we can only sign transactions with our wallet. So here I got some Matic, I got a bit of USDC, some Ether, really cool. I haven't even had any coffee yet. And by the way, comment down below if you're enjoying it. Comment down below what other videos you'd like to see. So one thing you want to do as well, make sure you're on the Ethereum network. So you have all these different networks. You're going to play with the Ethereum. That's why, that's what we're doing. So there's different blockchains. You can own the same token on a different blockchain. So we're just going to close out of that. We're going to do this differently. We're going to launch the app again. And we're going to hit Connect Wallet. And we are going to, no, we're not going to do that. So we're going to select Ethereum. And we're going to select MetaMask. So again, you can just go right to the Trezor. You can do that. But for most of you, if you don't have a hardware wallet, you're obviously not going to be able to do that. So again, what you can do is select Trezor right away or do MetaMask. I will do the MetaMask route for you because I know a lot of you do not have the hardware wallet attached. So we're going to be connecting our MetaMask. Okay, there you go. Okay, so what we're going to do now, and if you're using Ethereum, I believe you have to first sign a transaction to do wrapped ETH and then to do it. Okay, so it allows for it to communicate with the dApp a lot better. That's a big mistake. What people do is you have to have enough Ethereum in order to sign the transaction. And also when you sell your position, you need to have a little bit of ETH. You have to have gas fees. So think about it this way. If you're in a car and you fill up on gas and you go to a friend's house, by the time you get to your friend's house, if you're out of gas, how are you going to get home? That's probably the best analogy Crypto Moose has ever made. But it's true. You want to have enough gas, not for part of your trip, but all of your trip. So when you're thinking about crypto investing, specifically with the ETH, because the gas fees are quite egregious, you want to have enough gas. Okay, so we're using Ethereum just for transaction costs. If we wanted to use Ethereum to swap for HEX, then we would need a surplus. Just make sure you have enough gas, long story short. So we're going to go here and we're going to type in HEX. There we go. As you can see here, we've got USDC and we got HEX. So if we do our max, which I can do, we're going to do our max USDC. What you can also do, if you've got some wrapped ETH or whatever it is, you can go to ETH and you can select max to get an idea. Okay. So we only have, we can't even do a full transaction thing here. So with ETH, let's say you have a lot more, you could do 0.01 ETH, do like $20 and swap for that. But we don't even have a lot in here. So what you can do is do ETH, but just remember, you're probably gonna have to sign 2 transactions. We'll see what it does with our USDC. So anyways, we're gonna select our max USDC. Make sure you have enough ETH, we do. And now we're gonna permit and swap. So it's gonna be about $4 with fees. So check that out. We're gonna permit swap. Okay, and because we have our hardware wallet, we're gonna have to use our device, which is great. So ETH, we have a balance of 13 USD there. So we're gonna go here, check everything, sign. And right now we're gonna allow once for the session. Make sure you have no other windows open. Okay. And I've done this with ETH. I haven't done it with USDC, so I assume it'll be one transaction. And contains 5 keys. Okay, so we're gonna hold and sign the transaction with our device. Sign and proceed. Here we're gonna go to sign. Allow once for this session. There we go. Confirm the risk. Okay, so now you're going to check your fees. We're just going to do classic market. And it's going to cost about $5. Permit and swap. And we're going to sign. Allow once. And now we're going to check on our device. So we have the information displayed on our screen. We're going to read it. Make sure you check everything. There we go. Now confirm swap. And gas fees. Total $8. And it always feels like a lot of transactions. Okay. Transaction sent. Now we can put our device down. And we got one pending transaction. So right here it's showing pending, confirmed. And now we've got our HEX. So there we go. That was pretty swift. That wasn't that bad. So even here we can view on Etherscan. So if you want to check out your wallet or transactions, you can do that here. So there we go. You can see our transactions, gas price there. So what did we pay for fees? So we got $30. So for 30, 48, we got 30, 41. Our fee was $6.45. So that's what you can expect. Right now we are November 5th, 2023. So it may be much different for you as well. So again, set up your MetaMask and follow these steps. So if we hit it with a quick refresh, now if we take a look here, we're going to go back to our wallet. Okay, so here I've got a couple NFTs actually in this wallet. I think I'm staking as well. So you want to have enough Ethereum. We got away with it. I'd probably want to top this off. But very easily you can swap and get these tokens, which is really, really cool, right? So if we go now and type in HEX, we now have $30 of HEX. And let's say we want to swap it back for USDC. Let's say this goes up 2-3 times in value. You can give permission to swap, follow those steps. If you do not see HEX in your wallet, I'm going to give you a pro tip here. So what you can do is type in HEX on CoinMarketCap, and you're going to scroll down to contracts. Okay, so we're doing eHex. So this also works for the Polygon network. But what we're going to do is click on the MetaMask logo, and what that will allow you to do is add the token so you can see it in your wallet. So if your tokens are not appearing in your wallet, that's what you do. So I'm going to cancel that. If I go to my wallet, I see HEX. But for some of you, if you are not seeing HEX, that's all you have to do. Go to CoinMarketCap. They've made it very easy compared to what it used to be like. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's very simple. Go to app.oneinch, connect your wallet and make the swap. Of course, we went into the minute details if you have never done those before. I also want to remind you again, head over to the channel, Crypto Moose. This is an entire library completely free for you. So if you want to learn how to set up a MetaMask wallet properly, watch that video. It's really good. And I go over some of the details we went over. So on top of that, check out my Linktree. I've got a free Cardano mini course. This one is fantastic. I'm a huge fan. Of course, I designed it. And we also have the Simple Guide to Cryptos, NFTs for Beginners, and so much more. So with that being said, the moose is loose. Comment down below what else you'd like to see me cover here in the channel. Not your keys, not your cheese.